Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am still fighting off a head cold, so please excuse the voice, but I am so excited to unbox and review for you guys my first Influenster VoxBox. So this VoxBox is with Rimmel London. They definitely hopped on that hollow train that has been super popular lately. But if you don't know basically what Influenster and VoxBox is Influenster partners with brands like Rimmel London to send you products so that you can review them. So the two products that I got were obviously sent to me for free for the purposes of me reviewing them, but everything in this video, anything, because I will be posting on Instagram and Twitter, probably Facebook, about this as well, Snapchat, whatever, all of the social medias, all of the opinions about the products are my own. They're not paying me to say like very nice things about their products. They're just sending me free products and I'm telling you guys what I think about them. So without further ado, they sent me the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Wow Wings mascara in black. I'm wearing it right now and I really actually like this mascara a lot. I probably will be repurchasing this because as a drugstore mascara, the price point is really great. But I think my favorite thing about this mascara is, hopefully maybe you guys can see, you see how it's like flipped on the inner corner, like right here, that catches the outer corner lashes perfectly every single time. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, I've got long lashes, so that's a huge fight that I have, and then I end up like just screwing up my mascara. But this catches it perfectly every single time, every single wing. I don't know, has anybody else done this before? I feel like that's not that like revolutionary of a concept, but they did it in this mascara and it works really well. I also just really like the mascara because, as you guys can see, one of my mascara complaints typically on my channel is it does not build up enough for it to be like my mascara definition. But I feel like this looks really nice. This is probably a natural-ish look for me, and this was 2 coats of mascara, so this is definitely a very buildable mascara, and I could definitely wear this on a night out. So I'm really happy with the formula, and I really like that little wand thing. I don't know why, but it just really works. That sounds so stupid, but it really does work. The only thing that I will say that is not necessarily like a negative, but I know different people have different preferences on mascara. I definitely like my lashes to look a little bit more, I don't want to say clumpy, but chunky, and that does this. So if you're looking for something like super nice and natural and just like everyday, this is probably not the mascara for you, because as you can see, my lashes are kind of like clumped together and they look thick. That's how I want my lashes to look. Sorry. But yeah, if you're just looking for like an everyday like casual go-to mascara, this may not be it for you, because it is definitely a little bit thicker and a little bit chunkier than like, I don't know, something like you would want every day, I guess is where I'm going with this. And then the piece de resistance of the box is their new Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. I looked it up. This is the shade 06 My Bae. I kind of wish they told you that. I don't know why it doesn't say it on the package itself. Maybe it said on the package part that I threw out. Dumb. But yeah, it doesn't say it on the actual liner itself, which is kind of weird. But I do like the liner. Also, I'm wearing it right now, and this is the part where I'm going to zoom you guys in so I can see and show you guys how the 2-in-1 liner to shadow works, or if it does work. Let's find out. Alright, so we're super up close and personal, and if you guys can see, I'm currently just wearing a nice like winged subtle liner of this color. I did not think I would like this color because it is so light, but I think it looks really nice and natural on. And again, there's like a lot of colors. How many colors? 16 colors. So I will be purchasing this in other shades because I've got like some cool purples and blues and greens, which are a little bit more my speed. But the pink is nice. I actually like it way more than I thought I would. So there is that. The bottle itself has one of those little clicky things in it, which just makes me very happy, but also it's nice for just distributing the product within the bottle, so it's nice that they've thought of that, because a lot of eyeliners don't do that and then they get dry and crusty. So this is nice. Like I said, it's a 2-in-1 liner to shadow. I currently have the liner portion on, and what I'm gonna do is just go over it with another coat of this, and then we're gonna blend it out and see how it looks. Because I do like it just as a liner. Like, I would give it 5 out of 5 stars just because the liner looks really nice and it dried down really well, and it's just really, it's very pretty. And something that I don't know, it's just important. A lot of glittery liners like this that I have tried in the past, when they dry down, they crack like crazy on your eyes. This is not cracking. This does not rub off. It is not coming off. It is not flaking all over my face. It is not cracking visible cracks on the liner itself. So that is definitely a plus for this. Sorry, I feel like I'm way too close to be talking to you guys right now. All right, so we're going in. I'm super nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I haven't filmed in like 600 years. So I'm just gonna do a little bit over the outer corner where I already put some, and we're gonna wait like just a couple of seconds and then blend it out a little bit. How's that sound? Cool. So this actually dries down fairly quickly, so just real quick I'm gonna blend it out. Ooh, blend it out, blend it out. So that is what it looks like blended out. I actually really like that, and I'm gonna do a little bit more. Let's go for it. So I'm applying just a little bit more in this kind of like crack up here because I want to blend it out, but I'm also going to re-emphasize the bottom wing of this line because I liked that wing and I want it back. So I'm not mad at how this looks at all. I think that looks so cute. I really like that. This is the first time I'm trying it, honestly, because I'm sick and lazy. So I think that turned out really well. I would definitely clean up the bottom just a little bit because I like the wing line-ish there. But this thing sticks really well. I'll have to go in with like a little makeup pen or something to remove it. But so far I really like it. It does blend out very nice. The one thing I will say, hopefully you guys can kind of see if I zoom in a little bit, maybe if I can focus on my eyeball. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but a lot of the pigment is just on the glitter. I don't know if that is just because this is a lighter shadow shade, but I could see that being a problem if this is the case for some of the darker shades, because then you're not really getting pigment, you're just getting colored glitter on your eyes, and I don't know if I would really consider that shadow. But for this shade I think it works, specifically also because I have on a little bit of like a brown colored eyeshadow already, so I think it looks good with this. But I will point that out, that if with the other shades you only have pigment on the glitter, it could potentially be a problem and it wouldn't really look like eyeshadow. It would just look like you put glitter on your eyes. So, however, I do only have this one shade and I will be judging just off of this one shade with that little caveat warning just in case. I really like this. I did not think I was going to be using this a ton, but now that I see how prettily it blends out, that's not a word. Now that I see how nicely it blends out, like, I would wear this a lot, like a lot, and I will definitely be buying more. This is really nice. And again, like, this does not move, like it does not come off. That's crazy. Yeah, so I really like this. Okay, so zoom back out so hopefully you guys can kind of see. This is a little bit more of a, like, still kind of a natural wing, and then this is like a blended out gorgeous like sparkle fest. Anyways, this is the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. This is in the shade 006, my bae. I really like this. This is a very nice natural shade. I will be picking this up in at least a purple, if not more colors, because I really like this. And then also the Scandaleyes Wow Wings mascara, again by Rimmel London. Very nice mascara. Very much enjoyed it. I kind of got away from drugstore mascaras because when you subscribe to like beauty boxes like I do, you get mascaras all the time. There's been a shortage of that lately, and now I'm like running out. So I will be purchasing this. Again, I did get these for free. They were complimentary for the purposes of me reviewing them for you guys, through Influenster, through VoxBox, through Rimmel London. So thank you to the makeup gods that sent me these, because these are really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry, I'm like dying. I need to go. So I will stop rambling because obviously my voice is telling me to shut up and go to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, I was sent these products for free, but all opinions are my own, and I definitely did like them. So highly recommend that you check them out as well. I also highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ileah, Uieleah. I will have all of my socials down in the bio, so definitely check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and a very happy holiday season.